It's home style that he needs. Home style that he needs. Home style. It's home style that he needs.
Okay, so we're at Trader Joe's today. We're gonna try to find some different types of fruit for Cadence. Hoping that they have more options. But let's see what they got. Can't have pineapples yet. We got apples. What's on the other side? I was thinking of mango. Maybe we can get one mango. See how it goes. These grapes are so good. They're just super sweet. So we'll get some. How are you leaning?
The grapes good?
Try a mango?
Yeah.
Sit you up some. Yeah. There you go. We'll try a mango. We'll smell it. Ooh. Mango. You want to eat it, huh? Yeah, it's a mango. So we'll get one mango. And I think we're good on vegetables. Let's go look at the other side. Maybe some blueberries. I'll just get this bag.
There you go. See?
And the Meyer. I love Meyer lemons. Smell lemons? Yeah, lemons. Alright. And let's go check out the pear. Hi, welcome back. Today I got little Cadence with me. He'll be my sous chef. Sous chef. Why do we do that? Yeah, because mommy said sous chef. He'll be my little assistant today because he is not ready. You're not ready to go to bed. So today we're going to make Bomb Pop Breastmilk Popsicles. And so today's ingredients are mango, pear, and breast milk. And we've already made breastmilk popsicles for him before, but I want to try it with fruit because he's now eating fruit. So we're going to layer them and see how it goes. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to skin the mango and I'm going to skin the pear. Alright, so we got everything cut up. We chopped up the mangoes and we got the pears chopped up. So now we're going to puree it. So first we're going to puree the mangoes. See the mangoes? Put them in here. So I'm gonna check on the mangoes. Might need a little liquid to help it thin out. So I might add a little bit of breast milk to it, just to help it thin out some. Smell those mangoes? They smell good. So yeah, we've been doing vegetables for the introduction to baby food, but now we're doing fruit and he really seems to still love the vegetables, which is great. Alright, so we're going to give it a blend of the breast milk. Hopefully that'll help thin out the puree. Yeah. Ooh, smell that mango. It's still really thick, which is okay because it's gonna just be for the popsicle. So I'm gonna actually put it in the mold. Just a little bit on the bottom. And then once this is done, I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for maybe 10-15 minutes. And I'm gonna add the breast milk to give it the layer. So we'll be back once it's frozen. Okay, so we got the mangoes in the freezer. So while that's freezing, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start to puree the pears. And this little guy finally fell asleep. So I'm gonna try to be pretty quiet until the blender comes on. I'm gonna go put him down. I think I could fit maybe 4 in there. I'm gonna see how it goes without any milk because this has a lot of juice in it. So we'll go ahead and see how that goes. Alright, I'm gonna add the rest of the pears. Now this didn't need anything because it's super juicy. Didn't need any water, didn't need any breast milk. The pears are so ripe that it's literally falling apart as I'm putting it in the blender. And I taste a few bites of these, they're really sweet. So Kate is going to love it. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Just the texture I wanted. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. And this is actually a lot for our popsicle mold, so I'm going to freeze some for him to have later on. I think he's really gonna like these pears. And I like to add it to his breakfast in the morning when he eats oatmeal or cereal, or dessert when he has just vegetables, because these are super sweet. You can also mix them with other vegetables too, like spinach or broccoli, green beans, kale. I'm gonna go ahead and set the dial for the 8th. I'm gonna go ahead and check on those mangoes to see if they're frozen yet, so we can go ahead and start to layer them up. So I'll be right back. Alright, so it looks like they're nice and frozen, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk. And again, you don't have to use breast milk if you don't have any, you can use formula. But I am still breastfeeding, so I have an abundance of milk. So I'm gonna add just a little bit so it gives it a layer. I mean, that's probably less than half an ounce. Like half of a half an ounce. I don't want to fill it too high because I still got to add the pears. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the freezer. And then we'll go ahead and add the last part. Alright, so it's all frozen. So we're going to add the final part, which is the pears. And this looks so good. I want to eat it. Add a little pear on top. Part will be to put the popsicle sticks on top. So let's see what happens. Okay, we're ready. And I just love this little mold because it's so easy for him to hold by himself. His little hands go right in. And the stick's not too long, so when the popsicles are gone, I don't have to worry about him gagging. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the freezer. Okay, so I just took the popsicles out the freezer and let's take a look at them. There we go. all good to go. So I got the pears on the bottom, breast milk in the middle, and the mangoes on top. Okay. Hopefully he'll enjoy it. So that concludes my video. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Also like the video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.